The show Doodle-Man is Kill Doodle-Man. Not me. Oh. Who wants to be the Doodle-Man? Not me. Daddy would be the Doodle-Man. Okay, the show of Daddy Doodle-Man. Doodle-Man, it's the show of Doodle-Man, but it's not now for Doodle-Man.
Do bye-bye for now again.
Okay. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. Oh no, he was not holding it.
Nathan, I thought you were going outside.
I'm just saying silly things.